So let's review. We have the top 10 list of vulnerabilities, and here's all the 10 vulnerabilities. And we are going to go through each of them, and we're going to talk about what makes them so dangerous, and we're going to show examples in Rails and in PHP. So we're going to start with injection. And injection, there are two types of injection attacks that we need to worry about mostly. And one of them is command injection, and one of them is SQL injection. So SQL injection is probably the most famous of security vulnerabilities in web applications. That's the one that people talk about the most and spend the most time worrying about. So that's the one that we're going to tackle first, and we're going to come to command injection second. And here you see there's also two varieties of broken authentication, and for everything else it's really one or a following item, so there's only really going to be one entry for each of those. So the first two have subcategories and the rest are singular. So that's how we're going to tackle them. So we're going to start by actually talking about SQL injection, and we'll be doing that in the next lecture.